That bad, bad cat. Once there was a cat. The cat scratched the table. The cat scratched the chair. Bad, bad cat, his family said. He tore up the pillows. He tore up the bed. Bad, bad cat, his family said. He ate the plants. He pulled up the flowers. Bad, bad cat, his family said. He spilled the milk. He stole fruit. Bad, bad cat, his family said. One day, the cat ran outside. Do not go far, his family said, but he did. He was not back for lunch. That bad, bad cat, his family said. He was not back for dinner. Now his family began to worry. Kitty, darling, sweetie, honey, they called. Please come back. They looked all over for him. They asked everybody, have you seen our cat? Without him, the house was not the same. I miss him. I miss him. We miss him. Every day they left treats and they left a window open just in case. And he did come back. They hugged him. They kissed him. You are a good, good cat. Don't ever run away again. He loved them, no matter what they said, and they loved him. No matter what he did, that good, good cat.